February 17th, solar eclipse. This will change everything. Don't ignore this shift.
Stop scrolling. If you're watching this, it's not an accident. On February 17th, a rare ring of fire solar eclipse opens a powerful timeline shift, and whether you believe in astrology or not, something in your life is about to change. This eclipse doesn't create chaos. It removes what no longer belongs in your future. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's ending and what's trying to begin for you. Before we start, like this video to lock in clarity during this eclipse window, and subscribe if you want astrology explained in a way that actually makes sense and applies to real life. On February 17th, we experience a ring of fire solar eclipse. It's physically visible only in Antarctica, but energetically, it ripples across the entire planet. In quantum astrology, eclipses are not random events. They are course corrections. Think of this eclipse as the universe quietly saying,
That version of you has expired.
you may not see everything clearly yet, but over the next few months, something will end, something will shift, and something far more aligned will enter. And here's the important part. What leaves your life during this eclipse is making space for something better. What appears as the beginning of something big is therefore better described as the system entering a high plasticity window. During these intervals, attempts to preserve outdated configurations become energetically expensive, while experimentation becomes more viable. Evolution and revolution are not distinct options. They are endpoints along a spectrum determined by how adaptive intelligence responds to constraint.
So you probably wonder how this eclipse activates your sign. Let's start with 1. Aries. You are in healing survival mode. You've been running on adrenaline for a long time. Pushing, proving, calling burnout, strength. This eclipse ends that cycle. You're not losing your fire. You're learning how to rest without guilt and move from trust instead of urgency. Taurus, you're rewriting the future. Taurus, your long-term plans are under review. Goals or friendships that don't match who you're becoming may quietly fall away. This eclipse gives you a future that actually feels like yours, not something built to impress others. Gemini, your career wake-up call. Gemini, this is a professional turning point. You may suddenly realize that success without meaning feels empty. This eclipse pushes you toward work that aligns with who you truly are, not just how you're seen. Cancer, you expanding your world. Cancer, you're being nudged out of your comfort zone. Old fears of the unknown dissolve. Travel, learning, or spiritual growth opens your world wider than before. Leo, your emotional power shift. Leo, deep emotional transformation is happening. Draining attachments or power imbalances come to an end. You step into relationships from strength, not dependency. Virgo, your relationship reset. Virgo, partnerships come into focus. One-sided connections fade. What begins now is honesty, balance, and real commitment. Libra, you are in energy drained. Libra, you can't pour from an empty cup anymore. This eclipse ends overgiving. You create routines and boundaries that finally support you. Scorpio, for you, it's creative rebirth. Scorpio, if life felt stagnant, this eclipse changes that. Passion returns. Creativity ignites. Something exciting pulls you back to life. Sagittarius, you are breaking the cage. Sagittarius, routines that once felt safe now feel suffocating. This eclipse pushes you toward freedom, travel, bold choices, and expansion. Capricorn, you are stepping into authority. Capricorn, your long-term efforts start paying off. Self-doubt fades. Leadership rises. Your voice carries more weight now. Aquarius, your identity shift. Aquarius, this eclipse is personal. You stop shrinking to fit expectations. Authentic expression becomes non-negotiable. Pisces, you are in mental clarity. Pisces, the fog lifts. Overthinking ends. Your intuition sharpens. You trust your timing again. This eclipse is not here to punish you. It's here to realign you. Watch what leaves your life. Watch what enters. If this message resonated, subscribe now. Because the next few months are about integration, clarity, and stepping fully into your aligned path.